In the last few modules, we've looked at the valuation of various kinds of debt securities. There's one more issue we need to talk about in relation to bonds before moving on to equity securities in the next module. In the previous module, we developed this formula to calculate the price of a coupon bond. An examination of this formula indicates that there is an inverse relationship between price and yield. Because the yield appears in the denominator throughout the formula, if the yield goes up, the price goes down, and vice versa. This is not only true mathematically, but it makes intuitive sense. The higher the yield, the greater the rate at which you discount future cash flows, and therefore the lower their present value and the lower the price of the bond. Let's use an example to test the relationship between price and yield. In the previous module, we calculated the price of a $5,000 bond with 4 years to maturity and a coupon rate of 9%, payable semi-annually. If the yield is 7% per annum, the price is $5,344. We now need to recalculate the price of the bond with an annual yield of 9% and 11%. This is the formula we need. We have a face value of $5,000 and 8 periods to maturity. The coupon rate of 9% hasn't changed, so the coupon amount is still $225. And if the annual yield is 9%, the value of y in the formula is 4.5%, or 0.045. What is the price of this bond? The answer is $5,000. Now let's calculate the price with an annual yield of 11%. The only change is that y is now 5.5%, or 0.055. What is the value of the bond? The answer is $4,683. We've learned something important about the features of a bond, and that leads us to some additional terminology relating to bonds. Based on the information shown here, we can summarize the relationship between price and yield as follows. If the yield is less than the coupon rate, the price will be greater than the face value, and we say that the bond is trading at a premium. The opposite is also true. If the yield is greater than the coupon rate, the price will be less than the face value, and the bond is said to be trading at a discount. If the yield is equal to the coupon rate, the price will be equal to the face value, and we say that the bond is trading at par.